Over 80% of the average product is raw material cost. For lean manufacturing, it is essential to have visibility and control. The Valor Material Management Solution provides the tools needed for lean manufacturing. All components first arrive to the incoming material registration station. Here, the manufacturer labeling is scanned and a unique identifier is assigned to the package. Once registered in the material management database, the optimal location for the material is suggested. You will be able to reduce excess material from the production floor, thus improving WIP material. Another essential function is the Smart Changeover Guidance, which minimizes changeover time by providing a step-by-step guide to picking and putting away the material for the changeover, including consideration for materials that are already set up on the machines. Smart Changeover Guidance dramatically reduces the time that is needed to set up your machine for the next production order. Accurate material levels are captured as materials are consumed, including usage and spoilage. Material management just-in-time functionality ensures continuous production by sending materials to the line as they are needed. The usage of moisture-sensitive devices is tracked and controlled throughout production. MSD control, together with reduced inventory and FIFO management, reduces the cost of scrapping obsolete material. Material management provides an accurate overview of all material in the factory, where it is, the remaining quantity, and the status of each unit of material. Material management delivers the exact material to the work cell just when needed. It improves operational productivity and quality, ensures FIFO usage of materials, and keeps the ERP system updated with real-time data for better visibility. Overall, material management is the key for lean manufacturing and ROI-based decision-making.